Uh, Okay, so a few days ago, I was minding my own business, just doing stuff, being a teenager, that kind of stuff, and my mom was like, hey, this person's giving away a bunch of Sims packs, which ones do you want? Then she showed me the picture, and I was like, holy crap, that's a lot of expansion packs. She's like, and she was like, okay, that's all I need to know. She says you can have all of them. I'm like, what? So yeah, I now suddenly have a bunch of expansion packs. But not just expansion packs, actually. I now also have the Sims 2 Double Deluxe, which comes with the best-selling game, The Sims 2, The Sims 2 Nightlife Expansion Pack, and The Sims 2 Celebration Stuff Pack. So that's pretty cool. So now I have Sims 2, 3, and 4. So that's nice. There are some ones in here that I already have. Like, I already have, of course, The Sims 3, but I have a friend who's never played The Sims, and her birthday's coming up soon, so this is what I'm going to give her for her birthday, because she's been wanting to play The Sims. So yeah, this is The Sims 3 Deluxe. It comes with The Sims 3 and The Sims 3 Ambitions expansion pack, which is pretty cool. I'm super excited about some of these expansion packs. The ones I'm mostly excited for are, let's see, these ones. Let's see, so there's The Sims 3 Town Life, The Sims 3 Late Night, because it has vampires and apartments, The Sims 3 University Life, Sims 3 Supernatural, and The Sims 3 Generations. I've been wanting this one for so long. But let's see, all of them that I have, including those, are Sims 3 Outdoor Living, Sims 3 Fast Lane stuff, the Master Suite stuff, Island Paradise, 70s, 80s, and 90s stuff, World Adventures expansion pack, Barnacle Bay, and this one, the packaging is super cool, Medieval. I love the packaging on this one, oh my gosh. Also, this is a limited edition. There's actually a lot of limited edition stuff in here, like University Life, and Island Paradise, and the Pets one that I showed you before. Is there any other limited edition ones? Supernatural, there's a limited edition version of that. So, yeah. In total, there are about 20 things in the bag. And, I tried to, like, calculate how much money it was, and I don't know if I'm just bad at math or all of this is super expensive. Because it came out to a lot. Okay, so I was, like, installing all the expansion packs, and apparently Barnacle Bay doesn't have a disc in it. So I'm gonna see if I can register this online and download it through that. Otherwise... Also, these, games with the rubber band on them are the ones I'm gonna give to a friend for her birthday. So, now that everything's, like, sort of done, I'd like to give a big thank you to Megan, who gave me all of these Sims packs. Like, seriously, this is probably hundreds of dollars worth of stuff, and I'm just very grateful for, like, all of this stuff. And especially, I'm sure my friend will be grateful too when she gets all of the Sims packs in game that I'm planning on giving her. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, this sounds so cheesy, but it's true. Thank you. Thank you so much.